Hello guys, so welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to design a pulley system with a wire rope. As you can see here, this one I designed using Fusion 360. So let's just go right ahead with the design. So come to new design. Before I continue, so you can have a clear look at it. So this is the pulley, and now we can design a similar exact similar one. So you can see this is the history that I had gone through. Then I put those parts up to the final one. So right to the design, come to new design, then we create a new sketch on the front. Then we create think we can create a construction line here. I think 50 is okay. 50. Then you can create a rectangle. Okay, do this. Cancel. We can do this. Can create. First, let's disable this one. Then we create a thing, rectangular form. Can give it 50, and then the thickness you can give it maybe 30, and then we can use this constraint and make it there, and then we can. So before that, we can delete this. We can dimension here 25. So it's at the center, and okay, so we can design now the part of the pulley where we have the design, and this one somewhere here. Now let's put it there. It's okay. So after that, we can now use the trimming feature. We have trimmed, then we can use the equal constant. This part and this part should be equal. Then we can dimension this one. This one we can give it a dimension of okay. Can try. Let's try 15 millimeters. It's a small pulley, so we can maybe put 20. Let's see, 20. I can put 15 is okay. It's just a small pulley. And then from that we can fill it. Using maybe 5. Yes, 5 is okay. 5. This side also 5. Enter, and then we can now create the section. Can make it 20. 20 is okay. Then you can use the constraint part. Constraint this one is okay. Then we can dimension this part 10 is okay. So at the center, then can also use trim. Can trim this part and trim there, and then use the fillet. You can fillet this part. You can give it maybe 8 is okay. This side also 8. Let's see if we can use this one also 8. I think that's okay. Also this one 8 is okay. And then we enter. So we now have to revolve this one. So we come to solid, and then we select create, and we can create a revolution in the selected part, and then the axis, you can use this axis. And now we have the wheel, the pulley wheel. It really looks awesome. Then we could okay, and then we have to now create where the shaft will go through. So you can create a sketch here, and then you can create a circle with 50. I think 50 is okay. 50, and then we can now extrude it to 25 this side. It has two, you can make it two directions, so the direction 2 can be 25 because the thickness of that inner part was 20, so 25. Then we join. Now we can have a look before we finish. Yeah, it's really nice. And then okay, we might use a bearing, but for this design I just wanted it to be used directly with a shaft, but a lubricated one, just stainless steel or a smooth rod. So we just create a hole for that smooth rod. That rod is around 20 millimeters, 20, and then you can create that hole. Yes, so it's a cut. So we have the complete pulley here. Now the next thing is now to create the rope, the wire rope. So okay, the first thing is we have to use, there's a sketch we had created, the very first sketch here. That's where we create the profile of the rope, and then after that we'll create now the path for the profile. Then we'll use this function, use the sweep function. So we can create various circles. So we can create a new sketch, then you can select this plane. So we can now draw the profile and set these circles. I think let's create the wire to be 3mm wires, 3mm, and then you can create other few circles the same size as it. So we just create that this is the same as this one. So this one is the same size as this one, the same size, and also this one the same size. Then now we can now make them tangent to each other. This one we can make it tangent to this one tangent to this one tangent to this, and this one just like that. And like that. This one also, and then this one tangents this, and then this one tangent this. So I guess we can create some more circles. We can add one more layer. So they should be equal. This one equal with this one also. Equal with this one. Then tangent to each other. Tangent. Tangent to this. Tangent to this. Then tangent to this. Then tangent to this. Then tangent to that. Then tangent to that. This one can be tangent to this. Tangent to this. Then tangent to this. Then this one tangent to this one. So we just create those tangents down here. we can, okay, we can try and place tangent to that one. Yes, that one is a little bit okay now. I think that one is okay for me. And then we can now trim this part. We can now start trimming here. So I prefer trimming this one so that at least it won't take a lot of time trying to compute the revolution. So it's really, I think for me it's okay. Now we have to create the profile, the path, sorry, the path for, so we can finish this sketch and then you can now create the path. So for us to create the path, we can create, can construct another mid plane from here, and then this one. Then now we have a mid plane, and we can now create this sketch here for the, okay. We can, for us to be to have a clear view of where the rope should be, it's here. So this is the, as you can see, this is the path, the space where the rope will lie, where the rope will lie. So okay, we have to create the path for the rope. You can use, so it's supposed to be somewhere here, or the center of this hole there, somewhere here is okay. And then you can then create the rope, and then now you can also create this other side. Okay, so you can make it a little bit tall. So you can make it, yeah, that's okay. Okay, and then you can make it tangent to this one. You can make this one tangent, tangent to it. So I think we are now done with the most of the part. Now we can continue with the revolution, the sweeping. So we come to solid, then we click sweep. Then for the profile, we select this profile. Then for the path, this path. So okay, I think let's do some trimming here. So now we have a U-shaped path. So we come to solid, go back to solid, and then we come to sweep. Then we select this, and then this path, we select this path. So here it's a new body. Then for the twist angle, you can put maybe, let's see, 20. 20 is okay, maybe you can put 15. The twist angle, okay, maybe 10. 5. 2. Still not possible. 1. So for the twist angle, if we use, okay, I think let's create, maybe if not change, if it's not change selection, you can put join a new body, and then you can, if you put 10 is okay, or maybe 15. Yeah, I think I'm okay with 15, but you can also try different angles and different ideas to see, to make it a little bit twisted. In SolidWorks, it really is also possible to twist these ropes, these wires, the cables, the ropes, for them to be a little bit twisted. So is complete cable. We can now edit the opacity, then make it 100%. Then we can then go to appearance. From the appearance, you can select. I think for this one, for the blue color is okay. Then for the aluminium, you can put maybe if I try polished aluminium, it's okay. So this is the pulley that we have just created, and it looks awesome. And then maybe you can go to render. I think render you can have a little bit of, yes, so this is how it looks in render. So maybe in my next few videos we'll try and export a photorealistic render of the pulley. Thank you for watching, and kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.